you see how that long fuse...
Will you connect it with that one on the...
I can't now. We just have to light them separately.
Right. Now, can I light this one and quickly go to that one?
You can try, yeah, because that's a long fuse. Go, go, go.
That one good.
That is. That one did it. Do it. See the one in the front? Yeah. Get back.
Where's that one?
See that one right there? The red one?
Where?
Right here, laying on the ground. Wait, wait, wait. There.
There's another one. Yeah, there's one.
Stick it. There you go.
Oh.
Wait, 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 wait.
What?
That's one way to get around. It's going.
Alright.
You have to get more of them.
I think I'm good.
Oh, shit, I've done that.
What?